Good morning, Alex. What time do you usually wake up?
Good morning. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. What about you?
I get up around 7 a.m. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I always have toast and coffee. And you?
I usually eat cereal and drink tea. Then I get ready for work.
Same here. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and leave for work at 8.
Do you check your phone or read the news in the morning?
Yes, I check the weather and some news before leaving. I also like to listen to the radio while I eat.
That's a good idea. I sometimes listen to music to start my day with energy.
Do you make your bed before leaving?
Yes, I always make my bed. It helps me feel organized.
Hi, Tom. What time do you leave for work?
I leave at 7:30. I take the bus every day. And you?
I walk to school. It's just 10 minutes from my house.
That's nice. I listen to music on the bus. What do you do?
I usually read a book or listen to English podcasts.
Do you ever drive?
Sometimes, but I prefer walking. It helps me stay fit.
That's true. I try to walk during lunch breaks.
Do you ever get stuck in traffic?
Yes, sometimes. That's why I leave early.
Smart choice. Being late is stressful.
What do you usually do in the morning at work?
I check my emails and plan my day. How about you?
I have a team meeting at 9 a.m. every day.
That sounds busy. Do you work all day?
Yes, I work until 5:30 p.m. Then I go home.
Do you take short breaks?
Yes, I take a coffee break and stretch a little.
I sometimes go for a short walk outside to refresh my mind.
That's a good habit. I usually talk to my coworkers during breaks.
It helps to relax and stay productive.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I often bring food from home. Today I have a sandwich. You?
I usually buy lunch at the cafeteria. I like their chicken rice.
Do you eat lunch alone or with friends?
I eat with my coworkers. We talk and relax during lunch.
Sometimes I take a short walk after lunch.
That's a good idea. It helps digestion.
Do you drink tea or coffee after lunch?
I like green tea. It gives me energy without too much caffeine.
What do you usually do after work? I go to the gym 3 times a week. What about you? I go home and cook dinner. I like to relax in the evening. That's nice. I sometimes watch TV or read a book. Do you ever go out with friends after work? Yes, on Fridays. We sometimes have dinner together. I try to clean my room and prepare things for the next day. That's smart. I do laundry and plan my weekend too.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I eat dinner at 7, then I watch TV or study English.
I cook dinner with my family. After that, I help my brother with homework.
That's great. I try to sleep before 10:30 p.m.
Me too. I feel better when I sleep early.
Do you watch movies or series?
Yes, I love comedy shows. What about you?
I like action movies. Sometimes I read a book before bed.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually clean my house and go shopping. You?
I like to sleep in and go for a walk in the park.
That's relaxing. Do you go out with friends?
Sometimes we go to the cinema or have dinner together.
I visit my parents on Sundays.
That's nice. I sometimes go hiking.
I also like to try new recipes or bake cookies.
I'd love to try baking. Maybe next weekend.
Do you exercise every day?
Not every day. I go to the gym 3 times a week. You?
I go for a run every morning. It helps me stay healthy.
That's great. I want to run more often too.
I also do yoga on weekends.
I might try that. Sounds peaceful.
Do you have a workout plan?
Not really, but I do cardio and lift weights.
I follow online videos for stretching and core exercises.
How do you practice English every day?
I read books and write in a journal. What about you?
I watch English videos and talk to my friends in English.
That's a good idea. Do you study at the same time every day?
Yes, I study in the evening after dinner.
I also join an online English class twice a week.
Do you use any apps?
Yes, I use Duolingo and a dictionary app. They help a lot.
What do you do at home every day?
I cook, clean, and help my little sister with homework.
That's nice. I also take care of my younger brother.
Do you help your parents too?
Yes, I do the dishes and sometimes I help with shopping.
I also water the plants and take out the trash.
On weekends, I wash clothes and vacuum the floor.
We both do a lot. It's part of family life.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to paint and draw. It helps me relax. What about you?
I play the guitar. I practice every day after work.
That's cool. I want to learn an instrument too.
You should. It's fun and creative.
Do you play in a band?
Just with friends for fun. We meet on weekends.
What's your night routine?
I brush my teeth, read a little, then go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I do the same. I also set my alarm for the next morning.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, if I don't use my phone too much before bed.
I listen to soft music to help me sleep.
I drink warm milk. It helps me relax.
How do you manage your daily routine?
I make a list of tasks every morning. What about you?
I use a calendar app. It reminds me what to do.
That's smart. Planning saves time.
Do you ever forget things?
Sometimes, but writing helps me remember.
I also block time for study, work, and breaks. It keeps me focused.
Do you walk your dog every day?
Yes, every morning and evening. He loves it. You?
Same here. It's part of my daily routine.
Having a pet keeps us active, right?
Yes, and they bring so much joy.
I also feed him and play fetch every day.
I give my dog a bath every Saturday. He smells nice after that.
Hey, Emma. You look tired today. Did you stay up late last night?
Yes, I did. I had so much homework. I studied until midnight.
Wow. What does your daily routine look like?
I wake up at 6 a.m., help my mom prepare breakfast, then go to school.
That's early. What time do your classes start?
At 7:30 a.m., I have 5 classes before lunch and 2 more after.
That's a long day. When do you get home?
Around 4:30 p.m., then I rest for a bit and start doing homework.
Do you have time for fun?
A little. I watch YouTube or talk to friends in the evening.
Do you study English every day too?
Yes. I try to watch English videos and write in English every night.
You're really dedicated. I admire that.
Thanks, Lisa. I just want to do well in school.
You will. Keep it up, Emma.